Alright folks, here's some frozen waterfalls. Pretty cool. Frozen everything. Well, howdy folks. Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com, and today we are at Jackson Falls. Gonna look for some frozen waterfalls and do a little bit of a loop, and you get to come with us. So stay tuned. All right. Got ice cleats on. I'm not being totally crazy, but just a little crazy. Here's a frozen but not frozen waterfall. Pretty. Very pretty.
Might have taken too long.
Yeah, it's alright. It's frozen but not frozen.
How you letting me know?
Of course, you always find glasses.
I don't understand why. How do you lose your glasses, people?
Alright folks, we're on top of the waterfall. One of them is a icy mess up here. I always thought that's a pretty scene, and it's really pretty, with covered in snow and ice.
It is.
Alright folks, we found a easier way down. Longer walk, but it's down where the helipad access is. Isn't to say that we might be able to go up the dog trot or dog walk or whatever. Going up it is going to be easier than going down it. But we'll see. Either or, it doesn't matter. We just want to do it safely. Seen some horse riders. We're not the only crazy people out here. So, I feel like a horse with these things on, so I'll be clomping through the trail and the horses won't get scared because they'll think I'm one of them. Yep.
You know, I'm just sitting here imagining carrying somebody up that back.
Oh yeah.
Up this thing.
That'd be crazy. Especially like if it was around this time, you know, like it was these conditions.
I'd read a rope.
Yeah.
And be like, hang on, you're going for a ride.
Going for a ride. Hope you're not scared of heights.
But at least you know you're alive.
Yep. Almost down. We got an emergency backboard here, just in case I need to carry Michelle. Alright folks. We are in some bluffage territory. Heading back towards Jackson Falls area to see the waterfalls and stuff. Oh. Alright folks. Lots of bluffage in this area. Alrighty folks, hiking on 049, going towards the main waterfall. Probably have enough time to check it out and then go back head towards the truck. Maybe make some rope out of some vines and hoist ourselves up. The canyon just looks so interesting, covered in snow. The one time I could cuss.
Yep.
Say the S word.
S-N-O-W.
S-N-O-W.
I don't like it. I missed all that.
A bunch of poo?
Yeah.
Horse poo?
That's cool, horse.
Today's poo?
Yeah, it's fresh.
We are following some horseback riders.
I don't like the S-N-O-W, but I figured it out.
Yeah, we'd rather it not be here, but it is interesting to hike during it, you know. And I know when I first started hiking, even before hiking with Shawn, I wouldn't hike in the winter, you know, when it was snow, because I didn't want to drive in it. And I thought, well, all right, I guess I'll just eat my food. And, you know, every year I was pretty much struggling to get back to how I was in the summer. So now I forced myself to get out, you know. I'm glad I did, because now it's easier for us to get out and enjoy it all year long. So, all right, folks. Kind of frozen, kind of not. Kind of cool.
Oh, wow.
There's the main fall. That's pretty neat, I will say.
We'll just stay here until it freezes tonight.
Yep, there we go. Not. Check that craziness out. That's pretty crazy. Making mountains out here. Ice mountains, glaciers. Big pool. It's deep, so I'd hate to bust through that ice. That is crazy. All right, folks. Kind of pretty right here. Wanted to get the sun on video. We had to turn around.
I'm sorry.
Michelle lost one of her cleats, her crampons, and I'm saying
he's my hero.
I'm saying crampon, not tampon.
Yeah, that's awkward.
It is an awkward name, but it's ice cleats. They're not yak tracks. They're like fishing ice cleats, ice fishing cleats. So we had to turn around, but that's all right. We're getting our mileage in. We'll sleep good tonight and enjoy it. All right, folks, back on the hella spot. Way up. This is a fairly easy way up and down compared to the dog walk, which is covered in so much ice that it just
Wasn't worth it.
yeah, we would probably fall. I mean, all the places you need to put your hands and feet are nothing but ice. Even with these ice cleats on, I think it would have been a problem.
Wasn't worth it.
Yeah. So we'll just gladly go up this hella spot access.
It's a hella spot.
It's a hella spot too. It's a hella spot, boy. So we're
They might
making
need a helicopter
yeah, we might need one.
up there. How much dragging?
Yeah. I feel like I've hiked like 2 or 3 times on the trail back there.
You might have. Making sure you got your elevation and your mileage.
Yep.
You're the one that's always worried about that.
In all reality, I had the cleat in my pocket and I chucked it down when
You
she
probably did.
wasn't looking. Should have videoed it. I could have made the short, the rescue of Michelle's cleat. Yep. Definitely some elevation coming up.
Oh, yeah. Look it up, I'm coming.
Yeah. Still quite a bit of ice. Oop. About lost mine. But gonna have to get straps for them. All right, folks. Walking back across the bridge of size. I lost one of my foot things, like Michelle did, except we didn't have to hike 6 miles to get to it.
Hey, don't talk about that. I told you I was sorry.
Now I'm walking on ice.
Yeah, you're skating on thin ice, all right. Literally.
It's kind of thick.
Oh my gosh, you make me nervous, Rick. You're behind me.
Making her nervous behind her. I'm gonna run up behind her really fast. Not really. Too icy to run. And I'm too tired.
I'm not running through anything.
I'm gonna sluggishly follow. Alrighty, folks. Almost back to the truck. Pretty good hike. Extra mileage for some extra fitness.
Yeah.
It's healthy for us both.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Till next time, we'll see you on the trail.